Got the Hillman Imp here next to that Regal Rover 45. And we got the Hillman Imp here, Neil's lovely car, the classic Hillman Imp here. And he's got a lot of prizes for being the most battered car, isn't it? Or the most used and abused. Yeah, the abused Hillman here. Still going though. Is it 240,000 now? Is it? A lot of miles on it. It's about 35 years old, isn't it? 35 years old? Or is it late 60s?
50, yeah.
Good heavens, they are. Next to the posh Rover 45. 05 when the last one's made there. And there we are. Nice day here. Trip out in the Hillman Imp. Of course, made in Scotland. Part of the Roots group, of course. The old Hillman Imp there. Totally solid, you can see the old Hillman Imp here.